students should be graded on creativity more than exams. Because creativity reflects true learning and real understanding.
I strongly believe that exams are most important than what do we say creativity.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play
So that is the actual problem that we are not accepting that we are creative. Because we always waste our time that he's not creative and she's not creative.
Wait. Now, as you have said that he is not creative, he is not creative. What will that thing tell us? That thing is exam. Exam will tell us that who is more creative, who is not more creative.
got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you
Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Hizbullah Masood from Genre 3. Today we have been here for tremendous activity. We can call it debate, and it is debate with my opponent.
Assalamualaikum everyone. So I strongly believe that students should be graded on creativity more than exams because creativity reflects true learning and real understanding. Most exams only check that how much information a student can memorize, not how well they truly understand or can apply that knowledge. On the other hand, creativity allows the students to think critically, solve problems in new ways, and express their original ideas. So I think that creativity is the best to grade students.
And I strongly believe that exams are more powerful, most important than what do we say creativity, because as you know that whenever you want to apply for a job, they must require you for an interview, and in an interview we can call it as an exam. Even if you are going to hire yourself for a job, they will test your honesty, and that honesty is called test.
Okay. If you are talking about interview, so an interview, if a person is creative, so he can give his best. He can give interview his a best in a best version. If a person is creative, but if a person is just has done gave exams with just cramming and cheating, so it would not cause that much. It would not be that much good. But if a person is creative, so he will give his best in exams also, and in interview.
And the most interesting part that I forgot to tell you, exams are not all about just testing. It is also about discipline. Exam teaches you discipline, time management, and regularity. For suppose if a student is irregular and he does not come school regularly, obviously his father will scold him that son, go to school, your marks are being deducted. So that boy will definitely come, and it teaches a discipline and time management.
But don't you think that creativity also gives us discipline? Because a person who has creative mind, he will come regular. He will come regular by himself. He will give his best in his schools. He will and his parents will not have to force him that you will have to go. If we grade students on creativity, he will give his best, and he will also think outside of the box. And I think that creativity is the best.
And one more thing, I also want to tell you that creativity is a natural. It is God gifted. Not everyone is creative. There are few people, maybe they are creative, but not everyone. Remember this thing in your mind.
Oh. So that is the actual problem, that we are not accepting that we are creative, because we always waste our time that he is not creative and she is not creative. But the actual thing
Wait. Now, as you have said that he is not creative, he is not creative. What will that thing tell us? That thing is exam. Exam will tell us that who is more creative, who is not more creative.
But don't you think that with creativity we can also grade? The topic is that should we grade students on creativity or and exams instead of exams? So we can also grade students on creativity also. And with the help of creativity, they can also judge that he is a creative person. The thing is that we are not able to say that we are not accepting that we are creative. But the thing is that Allah has given creativity, and every person has creativity with his own.
And I want to ask you a question. As you all people know that before we join and take admission in school, what do? Don't they take our exam? Obviously, they take our exam.
So
they
that's
want to
why
know
we are. So
how
that's why
capable
we
we
are
are.
arguing.